So good morning all of you, and see this topic, that is division of numbers using rounding off. Why it is necessary to round off any number? Why it is necessary? Because see, when you are solving objective questions, that is MCQ type of questions, in any competitive exam, you have to solve one problem less than 2 minutes. Okay, so in that type of problems, you have to use this method for division, particularly because these are the not the number, or sometimes numbers may not be divisible. So let's see how. So see here, why to use this method? Why to use this method? Number one, to reduce time, of solving. Next one, to obtain nearest answer. Okay, and this method is very useful because in exam there is, what you can say, third one I am writing. What is that? Calculators are not allowed, है ना? Calculators are not allowed in exam. सही है ना? These are the three reasons we can say. That's why we are using this method, or we are going to use this method. So let's start using this method. So let's suppose number one problem I am taking, small problem. So you know the formula, phi is equal to f lambda, है ना? You know the formula, phi is equal to f lambda. So this formula you know, but how to solve now? See, even phi is equal to 3.3 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second, and lambda is equal to 2370 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter. Then what we have to find the frequency f is equal to how much? Listen carefully now how to use this rounding off method. See, now we know formula, phi is equal to f lambda. Yes or not? Where v is what? Velocity. What is v? Velocity. F is what? Frequency. Lambda is what? Lambda.
Wavelength.
Very good. Lambda is wavelength. Already you have learned this. So how to divide these numbers? By using rounding off, and see now how easy it is. So first what I am doing, I will substitute the values and I will create the formula for f also. So see, so that implies, can I write like this? F he is asking, so f is equal to v by lambda. V is what now? 3.3 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 2370 है ना? So 2370 into 10 to the power minus 5. Now first listen. As already I taught you shifting of decimal, this is 3.3 into 10 to the power 6. As it is, you keep. Down, can I write like this? 2.37 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 into 10 to the power minus 5. Understand everyone this step?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Because see here, those who did not understand 2370, I can write like this. 2370, how I can write? This is 2.370 into 10 to the power 3. है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
मीन्स अगर मैं इसको 2.370 को अगर 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करता हूं तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? फिर से जो ओरिजिनल वैल्यू है वो मिलेगा, सही है ना? That's
Yes,
why
sir.
I did like that. Understood? Those who did not understand, you can see this side. Okay, and this minus 5 is as it is. Now see, this minus 5 and this plus 3 will get cancelled. What is left here? 10 power minus 2. This minus 2 is going up. So this will become 3.3 divided by 2.37 into 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power plus 2. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear है? ये note down करो so that I can go to the next page. Yes, noted everyone.
Yes, sir. Finish.
Okay.
1 minute, sir. Done, sir. 1 minute.
Okay, do it fast. You can take screenshot if you want. Yes, completed.
Sir, completed, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Complete.
let's move ahead now. Now see what I got, number 3.3 divided by 2.37 into
10
10
to the
to the
power
power
6 into
हाँ
6 into
10
10 to the power of 2, sir.
so this is 10 power 8 है ना? This is 6 plus 2 means how much? 10 power 8, right है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, अब ये जो नंबर है, is it divisible easily? Now tell me,
No, sir.
is it divisible by means any number? No, it is not divisible है ना?
Yes, sir.
तो अब क्या करेंगे?
Yes, sir.
देखो, ऐसे केसेस में क्या करना है आपको? लिसन, अपने जो रूल्स है ना, रूल्स ऑफ यूजिंग रूल्स ऑफ राउंडिंग ऑफ, हियर यूजिंग rules of rounding off. तो आप देखो आप इसको कैसे बनाते हैं. This f is equal to this 3.3 means this
3.5.
last number is less than 5, so neglect it. So can I write direct just 30 or 3 just 3.0 means 3 only.
Yes, sir.
And this is
Okay.
7, last digit is 7.
2.4, sir.
Very good, 2.4.
2.4, sir.
हाँ. Now this is 3 and this is 2.4. सही है ना? Into
Yes,
this
sir.
is 10 to the
Yes, sir.
power plus 8 है कि नहीं? Plus 8. अब बोलो मुझे can we divide? Yes, 1 by 0.8.
0.8.
सही है ना?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
कोई
sir.
डाउट है?
Sir, 3.3 we can be write as 3.5 also, no, sir.
What?
3.3 we can round off to 3.5 also, no, sir.
How? Who told you?
We can't do like
Rules I told Nare. This last number is greater than 5. Then only we should
then
add.
we
No?
should
If it is
Okay,
less than 5 means what we have to do? Just eliminate it or replace by 0. Here it is less than 0, less than 5. That's why we are doing like that. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you once again explain that simplification, sir?
Which one? Hello.
Sir,
Which
Sir.
one? Which one?
sir, that left side, what you wrote, what you wrote, can you once again explain, sir?
See here, Ray. See, last digit. Yesterday means in the last class I told na rounding off. Round off में क्या करना
Yes,
है?
sir.
समझो this is 3.3. This is last digit. Last digit is less than 5. तो क्या करना है आपको? इसको eliminate करना है और खाली क्या होगा ये 3.0 या तो फिर only 3 you can write, not an issue. अगर समझो कोई केस में ऐसे है 3.6 है ना? तो ये लास्ट डिजिट क्या है इस केस में? लास्ट डिजिट इज ग्रेटर देन 5. जब ये ग्रेटर देन 5 है तो क्या करना है? एक ऐड करना है, तो ये 4.0. समझ में आया? तो आप इसको डायरेक्टली 4 भी लिख सकते हो. ये आपके राउंडिंग ऑफ हो गया है ऑलरेडी, है ना? एक बार जो नोट्स है ना एक बार रिवाइज करो, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया?
Sure. Yes, sir.
ओके. राम,
Yes, sir.
अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
ओके. हाँ ठीक है, हो गया.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
अब देखो ये वाला पार्ट हमने ऑलरेडी देखा है, कोई जरूरत नहीं है अभी ये. तो यहाँ पे मुझे आ गया 1 by 0.8 into 10 to the power 8. तो क्या मैं इसको ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ 10 by 8?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
लिख सकता हूँ क्या?
Yes, sir.
तो अब मैंने लिखा है 10 by 8, तो ये हो जाएगा मेरा 5 by 4, है ना? अब ये इजी है, 5 by 4 into 10 to the power 8. अब मैं इसको डिवाइड कर सकता हूँ क्या? यस. कितना आएगा बोलो? ये तो आपको आता है ना? इधर 4 लिखूं, इधर 5 लिखूं, क्या लिखूं? लेफ्ट साइड राइट साइड बोलो, क्या लिखूं किधर?
Left side.
4 left
denominator
side,
by
sir. Right side, 5.
Left side 4,
Left side
right
four,
side
sir.
5.
So many are doing 5 for you know. Lockdown effect. 1140
1.25.
divided by 11 into 40 is equal to how much? बोलो. वन है ना? यस.
No, sir.
अरे लॉकडाउन में ऐसे ही कैलकुलेशन कर रहे हो ना आप लोग, बट दिस इज रॉन्ग. ओके.
Sir.
डोंट डू लाइक दैट।
740 by 440.
हाँ जो भी है ठीक से करो, ऐसे मत करो कैंसलेशन। दिस इज जस्ट जोक। हाँ ओके, सो लेट्स
Yes, sir.
मूव अहेड। हाँ सो अब 4/5 है, अब बोलो क्या आएगा। 4 1
1.25 sir.
4, हाउ मच लेफ्ट, वक्कटी, सही है क्या। नाउ पॉइंट बोलो
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट। 0 ना,
8.
हाँ 2 8, हाँ
1.25.
कितना होगा 2 ये 5, सही है क्या।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब ये 0 है ना, हो गया ना, तो ये कितना आ रहा है
1.25.
1.25 इंटू 10⁸8 हर्ट्ज। फ्रीक्वेंसी का यूनिट क्या रहता है, हर्ट्ज। समझ में आया कैलकुलेशन।
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
कोई डाउट है।
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
यस यस राइट।
No, sir.
श्रावणी चरणजीत मल्लाडी, ओके यू राइट योर नेम रे। ये ब्रेन हैकर, डेविल, आई एम द डेविल, यू आर द गॉड, आई एम द सन ऑफ गॉड, ఇది ఉద్దు నేమ్ నేమ్ लिखो నేమ్, राइट योर नेम्स। కామెడీ కామెడీ నా ఐ ఎమ్ ర్యాబిట్ అంట, ఏంటిది హౌ యూ కెన్ బి ర్యాబిట్. yes no, funny names they are keeping, the way they want they are keeping names. Okay, right. If someone is saying na I am the rabbit, then I should ask him, will you eat grass now, do you want carrot, will you eat grass. I should not teach him, yes or not.
Yes, sir.
So write your names. ओके चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। ये हो गया, अच्छे से समझ में आया।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके ये देखो, नाउ सी although it looks lengthy, once you understand you will do very fast. Okay, can you do now next one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this you understood everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
let's move ahead. Right. Second example, अब ध्यान से करना है आपको, ठीक है। ये राउंडिंग ऑफ और आपको जो जो हुआ है अभी तक वो सब इसमें आना चाहिए। देखो मैं गिवन क्या दे रहा हूं और क्या आपको कैलकुलेट करना है, ठीक है। गिवन मास यम इज इक्वल टू 3.7 into 10⁻⁻6 kg and volume V is equal to 577 into 10⁻⁻2 meter cube, then rho is equal to how much? Can you do this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, do it. कैसे करेंगे? आ रहा है आंसर, चला है सॉल्व। 0.33 into 10⁻⁻6 और किसको है 10⁻⁻145 10⁻⁻5 और कौन है जिसको आ रहा है आंसर? और कोई है? राइट, लेट्स सॉल्व दिस। 0.58 into 10⁻⁻6 श्रीवत्सा ने भेजा है आंसर। ठीक है चलो देखेंगे। रो इज इक्वल टू m by v, this is our formula, we know m value is 3.7 into 10⁻⁻6 divided by, this is 577 into 10⁻⁻2। अब ये जो है मैं क्या करता हूं देखो, पहले 3.7 into 10⁻⁻6 divided by shall I write this like this? 5.77 into 100. Yes, this number I have written like this. Yeah, 10 power minus 2 as it is. Now 3.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 5.77 into 10 to the power 2, because this 100 is I have written as a 10 square into 10 to the power minus 2. Now this will get cancelled, minus 2 plus 2. And now what is the next step? See, now we have 3.7 divided by 5.77 into 10 to the power minus 6. अब राउंड ऑफ करेंगे, ये जो 7 है ये ग्रेटर देन 5 है, तो आई कैन राउंड इट एज अ 4.0 एंड डाउन भी फिर से देखो ये 7 है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 8, तो ये नीचे हो जाएगा 5.8 है ना, इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 6। अभी भी थोड़ा सा मुश्किल लग रहा है या इजी है? देखो अगर मैं 2 से डिवाइड करूं तो ये हो जाएगा 2 डिवाइडेड बाय कितना होगा ये 2.9, कितना
Yes,
होगा
sir.
Yes, sir.
2.9। अब देखो ये नीचे वाला नंबर मैं राउंड ऑफ करता हूँ इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 6 एज इट इज है, तो इसको क्या मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ 2/3 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 6, क्योंकि ये 9 है तो एक डिजिट इसमें ऐड करेंगे 2/3 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 6। सही है क्या?
Yes, sir.
अब ये जो 2/3 है आपको इजीली आ जाएगा है ना, ये 3 और यहाँ पे 2, सही है क्या? 0
Yes, sir.
पॉइंट हाँ कितना होगा
Sir?
6।
3.
Sir,
यस,
how did you round off 3.7 as 4.0?
see this is number is there na, this is 7 is greater than 5, so add 1 in previous digit, that's why
Okay.
3.7 is going to be 4.0 or even equal to 4। सही है ना?
Okay, sir.
this is greater
Okay,
than 5 ना, greater than 5 means add 1 in previous digit। एक बार वो जो नोट्स है ठीक से एक बार पढ़ो, ओके?
Okay, sir.
हाँ, अभी कोई डाउट और समझ में आया?
0.666, sir.
Same only will get ray, even you will do 588 580 same only na, yes? We try to make it simple na, why you are making big calculations 580 and all? You try to reduce to 2 digits, no? That is what our method. Why then 580 and all, that much 580 multiples, is it possible? Just make it 2 digits, no, so that it will be easy, we can do fast. Then what is use of learning this method? Is that clear, Charanjit? How 5.8 came? This is last digit is 7 na, greater than 5, add 1 in previous digit, understand? तो अगर आप देखोगे ये तो ये कितना आएगा फिर से 0 और ये 6666 ऐसे आएगा, तो योर आंसर इज फॉर रो इज ये 6666 ऐसे ही चलते रहता है ना, तो इसको आप 0.67 भी लिख सकते हो, 0.67 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 6। और अगर मुझे अभी एक डिजिट चाहिए 6.7 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 1 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 6, so your final answer should be 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 7 kilogram per meter cube. This is what your answer.
Sir,
Yes.
how did 10 power minus 1 come, sir?
हाँ, ये जो 0.67 है ना, 0.67 can I write like this? 6.7 divided by 10. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
अब ये 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 1, can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
That's why we got 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 1. सही है?
Yes, sir.
Shifting of decimal points already I have told. You just go through the notes. Any doubt? Charanjit, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
You round up to 580 also, you will get same only 5.80. Okkate vastundi. You just try it. You will get same answer.
Sir, I've done, sir, but 4 by 580 will come now, sir. So while cancelling, it becomes 1 by 145.
4 by 5, how you
Okay.
will get, Ray? You tell me. 5.8 you have, 4 by 5 how you will get?
Sir, it becomes 4 by 580 now, sir. 4 by 580 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So while it becomes, after we cancel the whole fraction, and it becomes 1 by 145 into 10 to the power of minus 4.
Okay. Then
So it is in fraction, so 1 by 145. So while taking it in numerical, numerator, it becomes 145 into 10 to the power of 5 now, sir. Like that I've got.
Array, but that 145 is there nakinda, whatever it is. You have to round up no, or you will do 145 again. That is very complex. 145 again, you use round off methods, you will get same.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't make it complications. This calculations, whatever you are doing, that is ordinary method. Don't go. That much time we don't have. We have to use round off and we will get nearest answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That is right only, but you don't do that method. Don't go with that method. That is very lengthy. Okay.
Okay.
Next one. 2 questions I am giving. Just solve it yourself and send me the answers.
Homework, sir.
Yes. Meter square. This is velocity is equal to how much? Velocity is equal to displacement by time. X by t you have to do. That's it. These are the 3 questions. You just round off and do it. Can you do it yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Use
Yes,
करो,
sir.
round off method use करो और 2 digits number ले लो. ज्यादा लंबा लंबा round off मत करो. Only 2 digit. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You do
sir.
it now yourself.
Yes,
And
sir.
send me detailed solution. Okay. Round up properly, raise the 10 power or decrease the 10 power and send me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Right. So let's stop here for today.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.